This is a really nice Gore 2-horse bumper pull. There's no dressing room in this trailer. It's got windows in the nose. It does have 2 saddle racks and some bridle hooks up here in the nose. Roof vents. Small, lightweight, great quality. Super attention to detail. Aerodynamic nose. Gore is a galvanized steel chassis, aluminum frame, aluminum skin. They use a galvanized steel wheel. They have a fiberglass roof. It's much lighter, much cooler than an aluminum roof on a hot summer day. Typically have a wooden floor. This trailer does have a wooden floor. You have some other options in the Gore, but typically have a wooden floor in that trailer. Nice low to the ground mat. Ramp. I'm struggling to talk. It's lightweight, easy to close. Top curtains with windows that slide open, so you can travel with those windows open or closed on the trailer. Two escape doors, padded removable divider, padded breast and butt bars, pads on the walls. We have a good thick rubber here, rubber lining on the walls. Full length diamond plated running boards, diamond plate on the fender box. This is a 2020 model.